If you want to take Flex Offers approval without website, then you must watch this video till the end. So before we get started with today's video, let me tell you about a proxy server which is SOX Escort. Now this SOX Escort is providing you a proxy server which is going to be very helpful in your CPA marketing work. Okay, so with the help of this proxy server you can just change your IP address, and with the help of changing IP address you can take approval of multiple affiliate marketing networks like Max Bounty, Flex Offers, etc. So as you can see over here, there are multiple proxies of different countries which you can take help. So all you have to do is, first of all, you have to pick a plan which is very affordable, as you can see, and you have to download this software, and you also need to set up this software on your system. So if you want a detailed guide, then you can have a look at this video. I will share the link of this video in the I button. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to come on Flex Offers. So without wasting more time, let me give you a quick intro about Flex Offers. So as you can see over here, there are more than 12,000 advertisers, which means more than 12,000 affiliate programs are over here on this network, and more than 75,000 publishers, which means affiliates, are over here. Okay, so I think that it is one of the biggest affiliate marketing network in this industry. So all you have to do is, first of all, you have to take its approval. Now listen, just have patience. Listen to me. You may take approval of Flex Offers without website. Okay, you may take the approval of Flex Offers network without website. But my dear friends, it is not compulsory that you will get approval of affiliate programs that are on Flex Offers without website. It means that you may take approval of without website of Flex Offers, but you will not get approval of affiliate programs that are inside Flex Offers. So to take approval of affiliate programs inside Flex Offers such as FreshBooks, Skillshare, you must need a website. Okay, you have to make your own website, and it will also help you to promote your the affiliate programs to earn money online. Okay, so it is compulsory in affiliate marketing to make a website, hence you have to make your own website. Now let me tell you that how to apply for Flex Offers and how to take approval of Flex Offers without website. So for this you have to click on Get Started. And as you can see over here, there are mainly two options, publisher and advertiser. So you have to follow the publisher option and click on sign up button, because we are affiliate. Okay, we are affiliates, we have to sign up as an affiliate, as a publisher. So as you can see over here, first of all, they will ask you some basic information such as flexoffers.com, publisher, application. So first of all, you have to provide all these informations to them, like first name, last name, email and password. And after filling in all this information, you have to agree to its terms and conditions and click on the register button. In the next step, as you can see, you have to verify your email address. Now you have to open your email inbox and you have to verify this email. So let me just copy this link and open this link in this browser to verify my email address. So as you can see, my email has been verified. Now I have to log in. So let me carefully log into my account and click on the login button. So as you can see over here, from here our main work start. You have to provide a company or personal information like company name or your name. So in this section you can fill your name also, or you can even fill the name of your of the source from which you are applying, such as your YouTube channel or your social media accounts. So let me tell you that in this video we are going to apply to Flex Offers with the YouTube channel. Okay, so here I will take the help of my YouTube channel. So just let me copy the name. So I have pasted the name of my channel, and as you can see, first of all you have to provide your address, country, state, city, zip code, phone number also. And after filling in all these informations correctly, you have to simply click on the continue button. Now these two fields are optional. If you want, you can even fill this, but they are optional. You can leave these fields. Now in the next step, as you can see, where will you place flexoffers.com's links and banner ads? Okay, now this is the most important part where you have to focus on. If you have your own website, you can go with the first option, which is my website. Okay, Now as you can see, if you have a software, your own social media app, which means if you are running your own social media business, you can choose this one. Or if you have your own network, okay, or I run a network of publishers, okay, so you have to follow this option. And my email list, so if you have an email list, so you have to provide them. So I think that these all options may not appear on you. So these two are for us, okay, these two are for us. If you have a website, you can follow this option, but in case if you don't have your own website, okay, so you can make use of this option, which is another source. So in this option, I have to paste my YouTube channel link, which is this one, because I am applying on Flex offers with the help of my YouTube channel. Now listen, don't just hide your YouTube subscribers, okay. If you will hide your YouTube subscribers, they will not be able to see how many subscribers does your channel has. So make it visible, okay, and you must have a good amount of subscribers. So let me proceed by clicking on this network option, which is I use a traffic generation method that is not best described by one of the options above. So after doing this much, you have to just follow this continue button. And now as you can see over here you have to provide some more informations like a name, okay. Please name this traffic source. So I want to name as YouTube channel, okay, this would work fine for me. Okay, now while we may not support some of these alternate traffic sources today, we like knowing where new opportunities exist. So you have to just choose the type of that particular source which you are applying, okay, from which you are applying, like paper call, SMS, and live chat, podcast. So in this case, I would like to go with this option, which is none of the above. And describe your alternative traffic generation methods. Now here you have to describe your YouTube channel, okay, like you have, like in my case, I have to say that it is my YouTube channel. Here's the link, and where I share valuable content on CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, okay, and WordPress website, okay, a complete channel of affiliate marketing. So I have to just describe my method, which is YouTube channel. Now you also need to describe the category of your source, then what's the volume of this opportunity, which means you have to write the subscribers you have, okay, the subscribers you have on your channel. So as you can see, associated website, do you have a website associated with this traffic? So if you have website, you have to write over here. Alright, so first of all, you have to fill in all this information, and then you have to click on continue button. You should not check this box, okay. So I've just skip this, and you have to click on continue button. So after doing this much, you simply need to click on the continue button. Alright, now we have to move to the next step, which is to verify my phone number. Now let me quickly verify my phone number through OTP. So as you can see over here, I have verified my phone number, and currently it is saying that your application is now complete and has been submitted to our compliance department for review. In less than 2 business days, your application will be approved or declined, and a notice will be sent to your email address. Now they are saying that it will come under 2 days, but according to my experience, sometimes it may take more than 10 days or about a week, okay. So all you have to do is, first of all, you have to keep patience, okay. Just be patient and you will for sure get Flex offers approval. This I am telling to you because one of my friends have taken Flex offers approval with the help of YouTube channel, okay. So you too can apply with the help of YouTube channel and can easily get approved by Flex offers. Now again, I am telling you that you may take Flex offers approval with the help of a YouTube channel or without any website, but if you want to take approval of affiliate programs that are inside Flex offers, then you must need a website. For example, if I show you my dashboard of Flex offers, just wait a second. So as you can see over here, this is the dashboard of Flex offers. It is my dashboard basically. So below you can see over here in the approved affiliate programs like Bigstock, Flex offers, CPA, LinkedIn Jobs, FreshBooks, LinkedIn Learning, Skillshare, and Yelp. So if you want to take approval of these types of offers, then you must need a website. Hence you have to make a complete WordPress website with a good quality content on it. Hence I will recommend you to make a website first and then start promoting the affiliate programs over affiliate network. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thank you.